GoSkills Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to the platform mentioned in this video are included in the description below. GoSkills is a skill certification platform designed for professionals and learners aiming to enhance their expertise in various fields, from business and technology to creative skills. With a focus on flexibility, GoSkills offers bite-sized courses that fit easily into any schedule, making it an excellent choice for busy individuals looking to upskill without compromising other responsibilities. Key features include personalized learning paths, certification upon course completion, and a broad range of topics such as project management, Excel, leadership, and design. Each course is taught by industry experts, ensuring the content is both practical and relevant to current industry standards. GoSkills also provides interactive quizzes, downloadable resources, and progress tracking to help users stay engaged and measure their growth. The platform is tailored for individuals seeking to advance their careers, as well as teams or organizations aiming to improve workforce skills. It's particularly well-suited for freelancers, professionals, and small businesses looking for affordable, high-quality training options. GoSkills integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams, enhancing team collaboration and learning efficiency. Customer feedback highlights the platform's user-friendly interface and affordability as major advantages. Additionally, the option to earn industry-recognized certifications adds value for those wanting to boost their resumes or LinkedIn profiles. While the course catalog is extensive, it may not cover niche or highly specialized topics, so be sure to explore their offerings before committing. Overall, GoSkills delivers a practical and engaging learning experience for individuals and teams looking to stay competitive in today's fast-paced job market. If you've used GoSkills or are thinking about it, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and discounts.